how to use monday.com for designer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use monday.com for designer. Maybe you are interior design or graphic designer and you need work management tool for your tasks. So you can go to monday.com. If you don't know yet, monday.com is a project management tool that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your tasks, all your details and others. So basically we're gonna use templates from monday.com, so it's gonna be very simple and easy. You can go to your workspace, you want to add a board, and you can click plus icon here to add item to workspace and go to board and then go to start with template. And as you can see, this is the template center, and on the left side there are a lot of industry, and you can choose design here for designer. So in design, you can see there are 6 templates and you can choose whatever you want, whatever you need. So let's say I need this one, design weekly task for my design task. And you can see this is the details and this is the preview. You can, see it, and if you think it's good you can use this template, so you can click this one and use the template for your workspace. Let's say I want to add it on my workspace, and it's creating and it's done. As you can see, this is the board, so this is the the layout. You can click done and you can put the details here. You can edit it, you can modify it. If you need something more, you can just add item again and you can add template again. It's up to you. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.